Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Coinbase, a popular cryptocurrency exchange platform. I've been getting a lot of questions about whether or not you can use Coinbase in Canada, so I thought I'd do a video on it. So, can you use Coinbase in Canada? The answer is yes. Coinbase is available in Canada, and you can use it to buy, sell, and trade a variety of cryptocurrencies. How to use Coinbase in Canada. If you're interested in using Coinbase in Canada, here's what you need to do. Go to the Coinbase website and click on the Sign Up button. Enter your personal information, such as your name, email address, and date of birth. 1. Sitesnotengamstop.net. Sitesnotengamstop.net. Verify your identity by providing a government-issued ID. Once your identity is verified, you can start using Coinbase. What cryptocurrencies can you buy and sell on Coinbase in Canada? Coinbase offers a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and many more. You can also use Coinbase to buy and sell stablecoins, such as USDC and USDT. How to fund your Coinbase account in Canada. There are a few different ways to fund your Coinbase account in Canada. You can use a bank transfer, credit card, or debit card. You can also use Interac e-transfer. Fees. Coinbase charges fees for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. The fees vary depending on the cryptocurrency and the amount you're trading. Security. Coinbase is a secure platform, and your funds are protected by a variety of security measures. However, it's important to be aware of the risks of investing in cryptocurrency. Coinbase is a great option for Canadians who want to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. It's a safe and easy-to-use platform with a wide variety of coins to choose from. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about cryptocurrency, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.